Is your Infiniti QX80 dashboard showing a black screen when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? Statistically, the vast majority of these blank screens are just minor software communication glitches. Let us start with the most effective troubleshooting steps. First, force a system restart by holding the volume knob, then test a high-quality data cable. If that fails, inspect your phone port for debris and ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Check your screen time restrictions, as these can sometimes block CarPlay from launching correctly. Most issues are solved at home, but persistent black screens may indicate a failing USB hub or module. Hardware replacements can be pricey, so exhaust all software resets before heading to the dealership. If you still see black, a dealer-level firmware flash is often the final step to restore connectivity. Keep a high-quality cable in the glove box for testing whenever you encounter connection issues. Remember, persistent issues usually require a simple dealership software update. Try these steps today and get your CarPlay back online. Subscribe for more Infiniti tips.